Hi guys, welcome back to Taste with Twist. Today we are making raw mango dal. This sweet and sour dal is a variation of dals that are made in South India. Just top with some ghee and you will be next to heaven. But before that, please subscribe to my channel if you like this video and ring the bell icon to get notified whenever I post a new video. I post new videos every day. First, I have taken a pressure cooker and I have taken 1 cup of Toor dal and washed the dal once, and now I am taking 2 cups of water in the pressure cooker. Place the lid on top of the cooker and give 8 whistles on a medium flame. Now I have taken 1 big raw mango. Cut the mango into cubes like I am showing you. The mango we use should have white meat like this and should be unripe. Let's make the tadka while the dal cooks. To make the tadka, on a medium flame I have taken a saucepan, and into the saucepan I have added 2 tablespoons of oil. When the oil is hot, add in 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Now I am adding 1 teaspoon of jeera or cumin seeds. Now I have added 3 dried red chillies, 10 to 15 curry leaves. Add in 2 green chillies and half cup of roughly chopped onions. Give this a good mix and add in half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix again. Added 4 to 5 garlic cloves and 1 teaspoon of Hing or asafoetida. The onions have turned translucent now. Now I am adding the raw mango. Give this a good mix. Cups of water to the saucepan, or add in water just so the mangoes are completely immersed in the water. Cover and cook this for 6 to 7 minutes. Add in some salt as per taste. After 7 minutes, the mangoes are cooked now and the dal is also ready. Let the pressure of the pressure cooker come down by itself and mash the dal with a masher like I am showing you. You can use the back of a spoon to mash the dal too. Now add this mashed dal to the tadka that we have prepared earlier. Mix the dal into the tadka. Keep the flame on low at this point. Gently mix everything well. We don't add any red chili powder to the dal. The spice comes from the green chilies and red chilies that we have added in the dal. If you are using mangoes that are not raw, use some tamarind juice to increase the sourness. Definitely try this one while the mangoes are still in season. Thanks for watching. Until next time, bye.